Reimagining what's possible for Europe's solar development, helping unlock viable solar projects across a wider range of terrains, soils, and site conditions. Europe's renewable energy ambitions continue to grow, but the next wave of solar projects will increasingly depend on sites that are more difficult to develop. Land constraints, complex terrain, AgriPV requirements, challenging soils, northern climates. As EPCs and project developers work to deliver more solar and storage capacity, project success depends on maximizing site potential while reducing development and operational risk. Introducing NX Anchor and NX Gemini. That's where Nextpower's integrated technology platform comes in. Two technologies designed to help European EPCs and developers accelerate the energy transition with clean, reliable power.